Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to see all the games you've ever played on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Roblox and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your inventory section. Inside your inventory, look for private servers. If you have any items from private servers, you can select one to view the server details, including the type of map it was. The second method is also straightforward. Head to the home button on the Roblox website. Scroll down a bit until you find the Continue section. Click on See All. This will display all the games you have played on Roblox. For example, if your account is new and you've only played a few games, you'll see just those games listed. If you've played many games, all of them will appear in this list. These two methods will help you easily track the games you've played on Roblox. So that's basically how you can see all the games you've ever played on Roblox. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.